hearing shit.
Hello, my name is Ramstead, and in this video, we're going to be going over the comparisons of Real.AI in the day and night versus vanilla. Also, we'll be testing the unstable version, and we'll be installing Real.AI as well. So this mod is an NPC enhancement that removes the restrictions of Fallout 4's AI, meaning NPCs can ambush you, and snipers can actually snipe you. So for the installation, you're obviously going to need Real.AI and grab the main file. I'll be testing the unstable version. Download the main file for Weapons of Fate. Stealth and Detection System 5, the base version, not the manual one. First mod I recommend is Important NPC Essential Edition. Since Real.AI can be unpredictable, I recommend this mod to protect NPCs like Old Man Stockton and more. The next mod I highly recommend is Darker Nights, which brings the immersion to Real.AI, especially when you're sneaking around at night. So I have my mods nice and neat in a directory of their own. You can choose to have them within MO2, which I show in my mod organizer 2 quick install video. Okay, I'm gonna import these mods in the way your load order should be. So the first mod you're gonna start with is Real.AI. Then the next mod is gonna be Stealth and Detection System. And then the next mod is gonna be Weapons of Fate. Okay, for the Weapons of Fate installation game version, I'm gonna select Fallout 4 Farm Harbor and Nuka World. Only select this if you have those DLCs. Then for bullet tracers, I will select bright bullet tracers for the sake of demonstration in this video. And for bullet speed, I'm going to put it down to 50%. And lastly, select Baldy Cheese if you have the mod, which is a must-have mod if you're going to continue modding Fallout 4. Then you're going to shift-click Real.AI down to Weapons of Fate, and then you're going to right-click and hit Enable, and Real.AI should be installed. This is Vanilla's AI in the daytime. Oh, she's back there pacing back and forth. Why is that going off? I thought that was an auto turret. Okay, I'm gonna try and come over here to try to break the line of sight. Oh shit! Okay, that was vanilla AI for you. This is Real.AI in the day. Okay, so there's an immediate difference so far. What? Oh wait, I think I spoke to Sim. It doesn't seem like it's him at the top. At least the turret's not going crazy. Oh, so she most likely detected me while going on her path.
Who's there?
Oh crap, I gotta run. Yep, a bunch of pissed off NPCs. Oh, I could definitely avoided that. Did I just get Fat Man? This is Real.AI, unstable in the day. Okay, I'm already detected. I don't think it's front guard that detected me though. I'll try and see if it's the one in the back that I got detected by. Well, now I got detected by her.
What?
Okay, I thought she was gonna follow me out. What the heck? This is vanilla AI at night. The detection for vanilla at night is so much better than day by far, which is realistic. What the heck? That hit me? This is real AI at night. Nice, so she doesn't see me, but it somewhat seems unrealistic. I think you can actually walk up here without getting detected. This is reminding me of the old stealth missions in Oblivion, in a good way. Let me just stim pack myself very quick. Okay, so just went from danger to caution. I'm gonna see who's still seeking me out, so you can see how real AI is working. So her just being cautious of what was behind the pillar before even engaging towards you, and then her engaging after it looked like you're about to like get away, that is realistic. I almost thought that, you know, for a second, that was a player seeking me out, because as soon as I turned around, bolt out of there, she's like, oh no, you're not getting away. This is real AI, unstable at night. So I'm this close again. No caution or danger or anything. So she doesn't see me at all. In fact, I'm playing peekaboo with her, which doesn't make sense in this light level. Let me look at my character very quick to see how far she is from the base. Yeah, if she had a pair of eyeballs, she would see me right now. So this level of detection in this light level would make sense if you have darker nights combined with real AI, unstable, even Real.AI. Let me see how close I can get before she notices me.
Hey.
So I don't know if the turret's supposed to go off, but we can say the NPCs are activating it based on the location of where your shots are coming from. But I'm gonna see if I can try to get away from this. Even though the detection was partly off, I believe the getaway was realistic, because if you come into a base and you murk someone and then you escape, any other teammates didn't see who it was who left, then you're not going to know who it is. The only downfall to that is just a pursuit system, which I believe is in the Real.AI anyways. Okay, we're going to install Darker Nights right now. And for darkness level, you're going to want it on darkest. level 0. Then if you have the DLCs, please tick them and do none unless you have those mods. And choose vanilla for detection because Real.AI already has a detection system. And I chose vanilla for the night vision and click install. Darker Night should load before Real.AI and all the detection systems so they can overwrite what Darker Nights put. Now for the comparison. Enjoy.